What's up, guys? Nick here from the AB Garage. I just want to give you guys a quick update on the Honda because after the last video I took some more shit off of it and I wasn't recording. I was just sitting here looking at the bike and said, yeah, I can take that off, I can take that off, I can take that off. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what all I removed. I don't even remember what I had taken off last time. I know the exhaust was still on, and the exhaust is gone now. So I took the exhaust off. I removed the battery and all of the stuff that was up in there, and put this. I made TJ Brutal sells one of these, and I know some guys used, I don't remember what Do It With Dan used, but he used a wishbone link for something in there. I just made this little piece and drilled holes in it 9 inches on center, because that's, I guess, was what's typical for these, and then pulled the monoshock out and put that in, and that dropped it way down. So took all that shit out. I've taken the rear wheel off, and this sissy bar came with the new bike, the 98 Shadow, and I like the size of it, so I'm gonna try and recreate it later, but I just threw it up here just to see how it looked, and I kind of dig it, so I'm gonna end up making one, just shorter one. I don't really like the giant sissy bars that you see guys have, so I'll probably just recreate one like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I removed the headlight. I got a new headlight in today. Oh, duh. And I got the new bars. These are just 12-inch bars. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw the post. They're from, where are they from? I think they're from Zombie Performance. I don't know. They're called Cycle Standard 12-inch rise ape hangers, and they were like $90. So I mean, super cheap. I like the way they look. So I got those. Got these new levers from Amazon. They were like $30, and these grips just came in today too. So blacken everything out. These are gonna go eventually, but I just got in all this shit from TJ Brutal. So the hardtail kit's right there, and that's what I'm doing in the garage tonight. So that video will be up after this one. But yeah, so hardtail's next. Hardtail and seat pan, and then build the exhaust and rejet the carb and all that, tune that, and we'll be on our way. I hope to be close to having it at least able to start. I won't be able to ride it because my clutch cable's too short with that with the stock clutch cable, and I couldn't find an extended one that I liked. I can't remember who has the one that's 6 inches longer, but it was stainless steel, and I'm trying to go black with everything, almost everything on here, so I didn't really like the look of that, so I had to order one, and I'll put the site. I think it's called Fen Hill. I don't know, they're from over in the UK, so that should be here in about 2 weeks, I guess. But I ordered an extended clutch cable. I added 8 inches to it just so I had extra. I think that should be pretty good with the bars and the setup. So yeah, when that comes in, I'll let you guys know, but hopefully by the end of this weekend I got this thing at least running, so I can hear the exhaust. But yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this video off and start recording the hardtail video. So stick around for that. Check that out when it comes out. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.